Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at what you are given. We are given that 27 to the power of s plus what? 3 to the power of s plus 1 multiplied by s square into log y base what? Base 2 all to the power of 2 is equals to what? 36. And again, 3 to the power of 1 plus 2s multiplied by s log y base 2 plus s to the power of 3 multiplied by into log what? Y base 2 all to the power of 3 equals to what? 28. We are asked to look for the value of what? X and y. Okay, now let's obey the properties of indices. Okay, now let's obey. We know that 27 to the power of 8 is same as what? 3 to the power of what? 3x. Okay, because 3 to the power of 3 is 27 and the power here is 3x. Okay, then plus, then here I can also split this as what? 3 to the power of x. Okay, multiply 3. Properties of indices. We can also write this as what? 3 to the power of s plus what? Multiply by 3. Okay, because the power here is 1, so if we add the exponent, we have the same thing here. Then multiply by, now I can see that here we are having square, and here we are having square. So it's, we are not wrong. So we decide to write it as into x multiplied by log what? Log y base 2. Okay, all to the power of what? 2. It means that this power is affecting the x and also affecting the audio of what? Log y base 2. Okay, all this equals to what? 30 what? 36. Wow, this is proc-etidinious. Okay, amazing. Then let's go back to the second. This second said that this is the same thing as what? 3 to the power of what? 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 2x, right? 3 to the power of what? 2x. Okay, then multiply by x log what? Log y base 2. Okay, then plus, we are not wrong. Okay, if you decide to write this as into s multiplied by what? Y log what? Base 2, right? All to the power of 3. It means that since this power here is 3, it means that since this 3 is here, it's affecting the x. Okay, all this equals to what? 30 what? Equals to 28, sorry, equals to what? 20 what? 28. Now consider that something is common, right? But let's do something interesting here. We're having 3 to the power of 3x. We can also write it as what? 3 to the power of x all to the power of what? 3. Okay, because s times 3 is equals to 3x. Then plus 3 to the power of what? X multiplied by what? 3 multiplied by into s multiplied by what? Multiplied by log y base 2 all to the power of what? 2 equals to what? 30 what? 6. Okay, and the second one, which is this, is set as 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by into 3 to the power of x all to the power of what? 2, then multiplied by x log what? Log y base 2. Okay, plus into x multiplied by log what? Log y base 2 all to the power of what? 3 equals to what? 20 what? 8. Now consider something is common, right? Something is common here. So what is common? Consider let 3 to the power which is common equals to what? P, and let what? S log y base 2 equals to what? Q, because they are common. Now in place of this, we're going to substitute P and what? Q. So look at 3 to the power of s you are seeing here. You can put what? P. So that this is P to the power of what? 3, because the power here is 3. Then plus what? Plus P. You can see P here multiplied by what? 3. Then multiplied by all this is now what? Q. So this will be Q square. Okay, because you are seeing square here equals to what? 36. Okay, then the second stage, this is 3. Okay, multiplied by into, let me just remove the into what? Q square. You can see they are having square here, so 3 to the power of s is P, sorry, is P. Okay, so this will be P square. Okay, then multiply by, this is Q, right? This is Q. Okay, plus into what? This is Q to the power of 3. Okay, you can see this is Q equals to what? 20 what? 8. Now what this is what? P to the power of 3 plus what? P times 3 give us what? P times 3 times Q square. What this is 3 P Q square. Okay, equals to what? 36. Okay, let me here and take it. Okay, let me move. Okay, now from this, this is what? P to the power of 3. Okay, P times 3 give us what? 3P. 3P times Q square, we have this is what? Plus 3P Q square. Okay, equals to what? equals to 36, right? Equals to 36. You can call this equation 1. Okay, then from this, we're going to have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by p square multiplied by q. But this is what? 3p square q, okay, plus what? Plus q to the power of 3 equals to what? 28. You can call this equation what? Equation 2. Wow, this is amazing. What are we going to do here? Wow, there's nothing we can do here, but let's recall one of the trick. What is the symmetrical identity? Now, if we have into p plus what? Q to the power of 3, what is the outcome of this? Now, can our Pascal triangle can help us? Let's use our Pascal triangle. 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 give us 2, 1, 1. Then 1 plus 2 give us 3, 2 plus 1 give us 3, 1, 1. This is Pascal triangle. So let's find. So now this is what? Into p. This is 1. Look at this 1. Then into what? Q. Plus what? 3 into p into what? Q. Plus 3 into p into what? Q. Plus 1 into p into what? Q. Now the first time we take the highest power. Okay, so here we start from, remember this is n to the power of 0 is 1, here is 1, here is 2, here is what? 3. Since you're having the highest power of 3, that's why you're using all this. Okay, you can see all this you are seeing. That's this is 1, this one you are seeing, this 3, this 3, this other 3, this 3 you are seeing, and this one is this other one. Now we take the highest power. The first time we take the highest power, which is 3. So if p is decreasing, that means q will be increasing. So here we start from 0, and here will be 2, here will be 1, and here will be 1, here will be 2, here will be 0, and here will be 3. So if we simplify this, we're going to have this is p square, p to the power of 3, okay, plus 3p square multiplied by q, plus 3p q square, then plus what? Q to the power of 3. That means into p plus q all to the power of 3 is equals to this. Now you can do something amazing here. Let's compare this to what you're having here. You're having p to the power of 3. You're having p to the power of 3 here, right? You're having 3p multiplied by q to the power of 2. And you're also having here, so you can combine it. You can combine this. Now this is into p plus q to the power of 3 plus what? Sorry, equals to p to the power of 3, okay, plus 3p multiplied by q to the power of 2, okay, plus into, okay, you can put this in the parentheses, okay, into what? Into q into 3p to the power of 2 multiplied by q plus what? Q to the power of 3. Now let's combine this and this because they are the same. Now let's go back to our question. You can see that we're having 3p square multiplied by q, and having 3q square, okay, 3p square multiplied by q plus q square, and this all this is 28. So you can see that this is what? Into p plus q to the power of 3 is equals to what? All this is what? Look at all this is 36. You can see. So yes, what? 36, okay, plus all this is what? All this is 28. So yes, what? 28. Okay. Wow, this is amazing. So you can remove this from here. But I want you to take notes of something very important here. Remember, we say take note of this, that 3 to the power of x is equals to what? P. And s log y base 2, s log y base 2 is equals to q. These are important things you have to take note. So you can remove this from here. Okay. You can remove this from here. Okay. All right. That means into p plus q to the power of 3 is equals to what? 64, because 36 plus 28 is 64. That means taking q root of both sides, okay, or if you did not take q, you can raise this in the what? In the index form. So now this is what? Into p plus q to the power of 3 is equals to what? 4 to the power of 3. You can see. So since the power are the same, can equate the base. So this can go. So that's that this is into p plus q equals to what? 4. You can call this equation what? Equation 3. Wow. Now, what we are going to do here, since we use addition here, let's use subtraction sign so we can have another equation. Okay, so that this is what? Into p minus q to the power of 3. What will be the outcome of this? Let's obey this. So that means if here is minus, let's see. Let's try up this will be p minus q into p minus q into p minus q, right? So this is p times p. Let's open these two parentheses. We're going to this is p into p minus q into p minus q. Okay, multiply by p minus q. P times p give us p square. P times minus q have minus pq. Minus q times p have minus pq. Minus q times minus q have plus what? Q square into p minus q. So this has become p square minus 2pq, okay, plus p square into p minus q. Now, if we want to use this, open this parenthesis, this is p to the power of 3 minus p square multiplied by q. Then this time give us what? Minus 2p to the power of 2 multiplied by q. Then plus what? 2 plus what? 2p q to the power of what? 3. 2, sorry. You can see that you're having q here. Then use this last one. Because the other of this is plus q square times q. We have to go to have p multiplied by q square. Then this time we are going to have minus q to the power of what? 3. Now, you can see that the outcome, let's remove it from here. Now you can see that the outcome of this is what? Now the outcome is what? The outcome is what? That means into p minus q to the power of 3 is equals to p to the power of 3 minus 2, sorry. Now this are like 10, so minus give us minus 3 p square multiplied by q. Then this and this are the same, right? So give us what? Plus what? Plus 3 p multiplied by q to the power of 2. Then minus q was square. Now let's combine this to this. This is what you have. You're having p to the power of 3 here, and you're also having it here, right? You're having plus 3. Look at this. So you can combine it as into p minus q to the power of 3 is equals to p to the power of 3. Then this is same as this, so plus 3p multiplied by q to the power of 2. Okay. Then minus. Now you can see that we're having this. Okay, minus into. We're having this, right? This now become 3p to the power of 2 multiplied by q. Because minus times c give us this, right? Then and what again? Q. Then plus what? Plus q. Q to the power of 3. So if we use this minus to open this, we're going to have exactly what is here. Because they are having minus sign. Okay, so now this is into p minus q to the power of 3 is equals to, all this is what? Is 30 was 6 minus 28. You can see that all this is 28. So what I say that this is into p minus q to the power of 3 is equals to what? 8. Because 36 minus 28 will give us 8. Now to put 8 in this form, what that this is into p minus q to the power of 3 is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 simply means what? 2 times 23 places, which is 8, right? So since the power are the same, let's equate the base. This you can do without them. We answer that into p minus q is equals to what? 2. This is equation what? Equation 4. Wow. Now let's solve these two equations we have gotten. Okay, let's solve it. All right. Now these two equations. Now what that this is what? Can remove this from here. Now this is what? P minus q is equals to what? 2. This is equation what? 4. Now let's use elimination method. So p will go out. So minus times minus is plus. So p plus p, q plus q give us 2q. So this is 2q equals to 4 minus 2 give us 2. So if we divide here by 2, also divide here by 2. 2 will go, then q is equals to what? Is equals to what? 1. This is the value of q. Okay. Now how are we going to find the value of p? We can substitute the value of q in any of the equation. So that means from equation 4, that means p is equals to 2 plus what? Q. From equation 4, we can call this equation what? Equation 5. That means our p will be equals to 2 plus what? 1. And our p is equals to what? 3. That means p is equals to what? 3. But remember, we are not asked to solve for what? P or q. We are asked that what is the value of x and y. Now let's recall. Okay, let's recall so I can find the value of what x and what y. Wow, this is pocketedness, amazing. I love this. Okay, now recall that recall that 3 to the power of s is equals to what p, and x multiplied by what, x multiplied by log y base 2 is equals to what, q. Now what is our p is 3. You can see that means 3 to the power of s is equals to what, 3. Remember the power here is 1, so by equating the bases in the power are the same, we can do without them. Let them go and enjoy their new year. Okay, that means s is equals to what, 1, right? Now you can see that our x is y is 1, so it's easy for us to find our value of x, our value of y. Can you see how simple it is? Because now our x is equals to what, y. Now from here, look at s log y base 2. You can have this is what, 1 log what, log y base 2 is equals to what is our q. Now you can see that our q is what, our q is 1. So yes, what, 1. So 1 times this, I'm going to have this is still log what, y base 2 equals to 1. And you know that 2 to the power of 1 will give us y. That means 2 to the power of 1 is equals to what, y. And this implies that y is equals to what, 2. Therefore, okay, therefore s is equals to 1, which is the value of x, and our y is equals to what, 2. So this is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and so share it to long ones or others who learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so anytime another exciting video you notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.